Hello friends, I am going to start a new tutorial series on machine learning. In this video, we are getting started with machine learning. So let's start. Machine learning. Machine learning is making the computer learn from studying data and statistics. Machine learning is a step into the direction of artificial intelligence or AI. It is a program that analyzes the data and learns to predict the outcome. Where to start? In this tutorial, we'll go back to mathematics and study statistics and how to calculate important numbers based on data sets. We will also learn how to use various Python modules to get the answers we need. And we will learn how to make functions that are able to predict the outcome based on what we have learned. Dataset. In the mind of computer, a dataset is any collection of data. It can be anything from an array to a complete database. Let's see an example of an array. An array of few long numbers 99, 86, 87, 88, 111 or 111, 86, 103, 87, 94, 78, 77, 85 and 86. By looking at the array, we can guess that the average value is probably around 80 or 90, and we are also able to determine the highest value and the lowest value. But what else can we do? Let's see another example of a database. This sheet contains five columns: car name, color, age, speed, autopass, and there are several rows: car name BMW, color red, age 5 years, speed 99 kilometers, autopass yes. And next one is Volvo, color black, age 7, speed 86, autopass Y. VW, color gray, age 8, speed 87, autopass no on N. VW white, age 7, speed 88, autopass yes or Y. Ford white, color white, S2, speed 101, 111, autopass yes. VW white, S17, speed 86, autopass yes. Tesla, color red, S2, speed 103, autopass yes. BMW, color black, S9, speed 87, autopass yes. Volvo, color gray, age 4, speed 94, autopass no. Ford, color white, age 11, speed 78, autopass no. Toyota, color gray, age 12, speed 77, autopass no. VW white, age 9, speed 85, autopass 9 no. Toyota, color blue, age 6, speed 86, autopass yes. So several rows of cars, their colors, their age, speed, and if they have autopass or no. And by looking at the database, we can see that the most popular color is white and the oldest car is 17 years old. But what if we could predict if a car had an autopass just by looking at the other values? This is what machine learning is for, analyzing data and predicting the outcome. In machine learning, it is common to work with very large sheets. In this tutorial, we will try to make it as easy as possible to understand the different concepts of machine learning, and we will work with small, easy to understand datasets. Data types. To analyze data, it is important to know what type of data we are dealing with. We can split the data types into three main categories: numerical, categorical, ordinal. Numerical. Numerical data are numbers and can be split into two numerical categories. Discrete data. Numbers that are limited to integers. Example, the number of cars passing by. It may be 4 cars, 5 cars, 7 cars, 9 cars, etc. Continuous data. Numbers that are of infinite value. Example, the price of an item or the size of an item. They are variable. Price are variable. They can be infinite value. Categorical. Next one is categorical. Categorical data are values that cannot be measured up against each other. Example, a color value or any yes or no values. This cannot be measured up against one each other. Ordinal data. Ordinal data are like categorical data but can be measured up against each other. Example, school grades where A is better than B and so on. So categorical and ordinal um, data categorical data cannot be measured up by each other, and ordinal data can be measured up by each other. So this is the dissimilarity or similarity between these two numbers. By knowing the data type of your data source, you will be able to know what technique to use when analyzing them. We will learn more about statistics and analyzing data in the next videos. Okay, if you have any confusion about any point I described, like data types, data set, etc., please ask me in the comment section, and I will try to describe as describe as soon as possible, so to clear any confusion. So that's it for this video. Let's meet on the next one. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Besides, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestion. Like and share videos. Thank you very much.